It was like finding a hidden shortcut in a game, something everyone else skipped over, and it came through big time. Reminded me of how early crypto wins used to feel before things got oversaturated. I'm gonna take you through the whole thing, one step at a time, so you can try it too. When I got into the crypto world, I was basically chasing hype, tossing in money wherever people were talking loudest. It didn't go well. My whole stack started dipping fast. I made jokes to play it cool, but I knew I needed a better plan. That's when I came across this really straightforward routine. No advanced tools or flashy platforms, just practical steps. I stuck to it every day like clockwork. No shortcuts, just showing up. And sure enough, those first red numbers turned into 10 times gains. I'll break it all down for you. But before we dive straight into this, I've got to flag something important. Seriously, this heads up could save you a ton of hassle later on. I get that you're hyped and ready to move fast, but hearing this part now could make things way easier down the line. At first glance, Pump Fund looks super beginner-friendly. Clean interface, easy controls, and it feels like anyone could use it right away. But that's just the surface. Behind the scenes, it's doing a lot more than you'd expect. So let's run through some of the important stuff first before we hit the main steps. Launch Photon and turn on the Pump Fund filter. Right away, the screen floods with new tokens popping up like fireworks. It's kind of like walking into a digital coin carnival. Looks wild, right? But here's the catch. Most of what you're seeing won't last long. Since token creation is so simple now, people are cranking out projects non-stop. The problem? Only a tiny number of them have staying power. That's why it's key to figure out how to separate the solid plays from the ones that fade fast. Now change the filter to Raydium. As soon as it loads, the new list will stand out. You'll feel the difference immediately. The setup becomes more polished, and the tokens seem more legit. This is where stronger crypto projects start entering the scene. You'll see healthier trading volumes, liquidity that holds firm, and reasonable market cap sizes. I've got your back with a full walkthrough to make sure you're locked in. But first and foremost, you'll need a logo to get started. I made mine using Canva. It's great for beginners and keeps your design minimal but eye-catching. For your idea, pick something trendy or just something you personally like. I saw this super happy dog in a post the other day, and its expression totally stuck with me. That's what I used as the base for my coin concept. After the picture loads, double-check that the dimensions are set to 128 by 128 pixels. If it looks grainy or a little off, fix it up so it looks clean. Once that's done, save the image and head to the following part of the process. When I first started learning about crypto, launching a token seemed completely out of reach, like it was something only professional developers or blockchain specialists could even dream of doing. I didn't have a technical background, so I figured I'd never get to that level. But all of that changed when I ran into MoonTool. It's a platform that strips away the complexity and makes it easy for regular people to jump in. You don't need to know how to program or understand blockchain mechanics. If you've used a website or app before, even just to upload a profile picture, you're already qualified. It guides you step by step through everything. I've done it enough times now that it feels super familiar and totally doable every time. Once your token is officially live, it's time to take care of the liquidity side of things. Go to Raydium and start building out your liquidity pool from scratch. The interface is user-friendly and has all the features you'll need to make it work. Just follow the layout and you'll be able to get everything set up without confusion. It's all built with creators like us in mind. Now first grab your token's contract address and paste it into the field labeled user token. For the symbol, go with Doggy and then fill in Doggy Coin as the full token name. After entering that info, click the Add User Token button to confirm everything. That'll lock it in on the platform. Once you're ready to fund the pool and you've got 1 billion tokens to work with, allocate around 900 million of them into the liquidity pool and pair it with Solana. This setup helps keep your token balanced once it hits the market. To start adding liquidity, select Max to use all your Solana. Before you confirm, don't forget to subtract 0.2 Solana. That's your buffer for transaction fees. Missing this step might cause your transfer to get rejected. After that, set your token's fee to 2% or adjust it to whatever percentage works best for you. This fee level is a good compromise. It won't scare off traders, but still helps keep the project growing steadily. You're almost done. Just hit the Initialize Liquidity Pool button to start the process. When your Phantom wallet pops up, go ahead and confirm the transaction. Wait a few seconds for it to finish. And just like that, your token is live on Solana. You've made your own token from scratch without a hitch. Launch Photon again, and double-check that the Raydium filter is turned on. When it's active, your token will show up in the listings, a solid confirmation your launch worked and your coin is ready to trade. To track your token's activity, go to DEXScreener and pull up any token chart. After it loads, swap the contract address in the URL for your token and hit enter. Your token's stats and price will pop up right away. You can also type your coin's name into the search bar if that's easier. When you see the chart pop up, the price will probably be jumping around fast. That's mostly automated bots trading back and forth trying to score quick small gains. It can look pretty hectic at first, but this type of crazy movement is common with fresh launches, and it might actually benefit you early on. Starting right at the launch point is a huge plus. That first surge helps maintain a steady flow. If you jump in later, it's trickier to build up momentum. Once your cash is in, it begins generating returns, and those earnings add up fast. From there, just kick back and watch the process unfold. Okay, it's been 16 minutes since we locked in the liquidity, and we just got a 21 buy. Things are already shaping up nicely. Both the market cap and liquidity look solid, and you can see volume gradually increasing on the chart. This kind of early movement is exactly what you want to see at the start. Let's just keep waiting. 30 minutes have gone by, and our token's still pulling in solid buys. Market cap is climbing, liquidity keeps getting stronger, and the volume is holding steady at a healthy level. Things are progressing smoothly, just like we hoped. Now that a good chunk of time has passed since launch, we're getting awesome returns. $57 and $35 just came through. Both market cap and liquidity are performing great. Volume's holding steady, and the chart is shooting upward like crazy. This is the perfect moment to withdraw and send the profits to your wallet. No stress, I'll break it down step by step. Begin by linking your wallet to Raydium, ensuring it's the exact same wallet you originally connected during token creation. This step is quick and usually only takes a moment. Next, navigate to the Portfolio tab and pick Standard View to display all your tokens neatly. Sometimes tokens take 10 to 15 minutes to appear due to liquidity syncing, so be patient. When your tokens finally show, press the minus sign next to your liquidity pool to remove it all in one shot. Confirm Solana is the token selected for withdrawal. Then hit the Remove Liquidity button and approve the Phantom Wallet pop-up to finalize. The removal should complete smoothly within seconds. When the process completes, a pop-up will appear confirming success. Then, just open your wallet and make sure your balance shows the correct amount. Like I said, everything went just as planned. Profits are showing up right on cue, and the foundation is rock solid. If you stick with this method, it delivers steady results. With the market picking up, now's a great moment to jump in. The best part? You can run this play again whenever you want. The pace is quickening, everything's fitting together, and if you keep grinding, you'll see results before long. Just to clarify, I'm not sponsored by MoonTool, Photon, or Raydium. I'm sharing what actually worked in my experience. All the links and info are in the description or pinned comment.